Dun dun dun. Hey guys, welcome to another video of Geek Playground, and today is gonna be a cool video. Let me show you.
He's got a 70 ready. So they're doing a benefit car show for Joe. He's the tow truck driver who was hit by that semi.
I love so many cars.
He's towing, and they're doing a benefit for him. That is Sunday, September 26th.
That's
from
the
9
whole
to
Cadillac.
3.
Hey look, there's a cat in there.
South Howell in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. So if you do want one of those flyers, I do have some up here. If you do not get one, you can come get one for me. There's also another car show coming up in Franksville.
Look at that charger, guys. Look at that charger. Charger there?
65th anniversary. Yeah, Fred, how you doing?
We can go there.
So cool. Let's go and see. I wonder how the engine works, guys.
You got first, second, and third place trophies for that one. They're doing
Dun
raffles.
dun dun.
We're going to be first in your name, Randy. Shosheski, we knew that. That's what I said the first time, right?
Kids, this is how an engine looks like from a truck. Now we're going to see
That's an old school Ford Mustang.
It looks like Bumblebee.
No, it's not. It's a Mustang. It's a Cobra.
It's Ford.
Yeah, Ford Mustang Cobra. Corvette. Now this year they're coming up with a new Corvette where the engine's gonna be in the back. That looks like a Hot Wheel car, right? It looks like a Hot Wheel car. Hey, this is also, come here. This is a Dodge Coronet. That's a Mustang Cobra. That's a relatively new one.
There is Cobra on it.
It is a Mustang Cobra. What does it look like? Oh!
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got another car show coming up. September 21st from 12 till 3.
Look at that.
That is at Whitsend in downtown Caledonia. It's a $10 entry. It benefits Alzheimer's. It's a car and bike show, and again, that's
Hey,
at
there is a
Whitsend,
Yamaha bike
Caledonia.
here.
$10 entry free. And then September 21st from 12 till 3.
Hey, what's that car coming? Guys, look at that car that's coming.
No, that's just a truck.
Oh. That's not so cute.
Look at the Challenger.
What is this car?
That's Mercedes. I don't know which one it is.
Oh my god! No!
Yeah, this is a car that they modified and they put the engine on the top. So you see that? It's more look like a Hot
It's
Wheel
like
car.
he popped it.
Oh, this one looks so classic.
Whoa!
Yeah, right. You know,
Classic cars is cool.
Let's
But,
check out that one. Look at that, the red one. It looks so pretty.
let's see this.
What's Wait, you want to go check that out?
Look at this. It looks so
That's a Corvette. Save the wave. This is a car show, buddy. Classic car show. Oh, look at this. It's a 1937 midget car.
It's so small, guys. That's so small.
Yeah, I saw that. Look at that Corvette, buddy. Neel, that's a classic. Come here. That's a classic Corvette Stingray.
Look at this.
This is a Mustang GT.
This is actually the car which we did for the video.
No, that's not it. This is just a Chevy, buddy.
No, there was a video of the Chevy. This is actually the Chevy of the video, guys. You know where the tires bumps into the other tires and then it goes and then goes that car?
This is Impala.
Wow.
All the classic cars. They look so good.
Let's find a BMW.
I don't think there's gonna be a BMW. This is American classic, buddy.
Actually, also from the movie.
No, this is a Nissan Z. This is a newer
This was a
car.
video.
Looks good, right?
This is actually a video.
Yep.
Those cars were in the video. Now the
Hey, Neel, come here. I saw something nice. Watch your steps. Watch where you go.
how do they drive all these cars? How do they drive these cars?
I was gonna show him that.
The gray car.
Wait.
Look at that gray car, guys.
Look at this.
Wow. There's man. That looks. There's someone on top of that car.
Uh-oh, that's a censored.
It's 1925.
Yep. Ford T-Speedster. There's really classic stuff. This is all American classic cars mostly. Because you see Chevy, you see Ford.
No
How
one
they still
can
maintain it?
get on top of that car.
They can.
How? Come on, guys. Let's see what's wrong with this car.
Yes, Neel.
Look at this Mustang right there.
Yeah, that was a 5.0 GT. There's more. Come this way. When we entered, we saw plenty Mustangs.
Yeah, there's so much Mustangs here. Oh my God.
You love the cars?
Yeah.
Hey, look at that camper. It's so cute.
Whoa, that car's so cool.
No, the white one I meant. That's a camper, so you can sleep in it.
This car's so cool, guys.
See the camper? If you go in the back, go in that back and look at the eggshell camper.
Dada,
Come on, let's go. I'll show you.
Dada,
Yes, buddy.
look at this. This car was from the movie of the monster one. Yeah, guys. Come on, guys.
Whoa! Look at this one.
That's so cool.
This is a Porsche, buddy.
No way.
Yes, it's a Porsche. See, I told you about some cars that the headlights come up, so they'll come like when they want it on. Basically, that this whole headlight comes up. Looks pretty cool, right?
And
I love that yellow color of a Porsche.
red one. Oh,
That's a Camaro.
Cameroon.
Yep.
That car is parking.
There were like
The old fire truck.
3 or 4. Yeah, like look at that.
There's an old fire truck.
Whoa, this is really good. Look at those tires. Neel, look at those tires. Come here.
Whoa.
Huge, right?
Look, it also has words on it.
It barks at you.
Does he want to sit by the steering wheel?
If you don't mind, please. Go ahead, Neel. You get to sit on the by the steering wheel.
Take a picture of him.
There's 2 dogs actually.
George was helping him with it. Just about when he got it.
Right.
Want to put on a fire helmet? There's a couple of them sitting in there. That's just been put
Go ahead, buddy.
on to.
You can go in and you wear the fire helmet. Go in.
Dad, you can sit next to me if you want. Look like a regular fire chief. Just gotta sit behind the steering wheel so you can get a picture. Show everyone. See, Dad's even got on a helmet. There we go. Got the door. Did you get it?
Yep.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That was cool, guys.
Did you say thank you?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is so pretty.
Do they want to sit by the steering wheel?
Look behind it.
Yeah, so all the firefighters used to sit there, okay, and when they reached the place to where there is a fire, then they would get down, and this is like very old school. This is 1940s firefighting. That person who allowed you to get in the truck, it's his truck. Look at this cool that he lives in here. He's taking all the kids in here. He's taking all the kids in here.
I was without kids.
Yeah,
That's
we'll
such
close
a...
this.
Guys!
Like that black pickup truck. You see that? Get that shit out of here.
Dun, dun, dun.
What's that, Neel?
Wait, I think I found something super cool.
What?
Whoa, those were your glasses for your t-shirt?
Yeah.
Don't lose your glasses, Mr. Monster. Okay, I saw something special. There, look at that.
Oh, look at that!
Wait, watch where you're going. I see a car there.
No way!
It is a monster car. It even has a monster in it.
No!
Even has a monster rider.
No! Yeah. Oh.
Look at that. It even has
It's
monster in
actually
it.
a zombie car.
Look at the shifter. So this is the gear shifter. They even have monster on head on it. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
There's a movie called The Monster or The Monster.
Is that the movie car?
Yep.
No! Yeah! Damn, guys! It's so cool! It looks so cool!
You gonna see? Did you see the Dodge Challenger? The white one. It's leaving. Ooh, can you hear that rev?
It's so cool!
Look at this. Look at this. I think this is a Corvette. Is it? No, it's not a Corvette.
It looks cool, but anyway.
This one really looks like.
Whoa, let's check the front of this
It's a
one.
Cobra. A Cobra what?
Let's check behind.
Whoa, it's so beautiful.
And the winner of the free GeorgiePorgie raffle is Mike Thompson. Favorite car, 70 GTO. If you like these videos, guys, and we saw a lot of cars, and hit the bell button, hit the subscribe button, and keep watching my videos, and we're gonna have so much fun. so many videos, and we're gonna have fun. So bye.
Whoa, wait a second.
Right,
Now
ladies
I'm
and
giving you a
gentlemen,
challenge.
Jim
Can you
has
turn?
left the lead. So Larry,
Turn,
you're
keep
a
turning.
winner.
Look at the camera and keep
Larry's
turning.
favorite car is an 85
Turn,
Z28.
turn around,
Larry,
turn
you're
around.
a winner.
Go round and
Jim
round.
has named that you are a winner. So come on up,
Yep,
Larry.
yep.
85 Z28.
Dad.
Okay. Have a nice one, guys.
Bye.